Welcome to DIY Easy Crafts. Today we're going to take a look at how to use a ball siphon to siphon gas. Now, ball siphons are basically just a clear tube as well as a brass fitting. That brass fitting has a marble inside it. Each time you shake the tube up and down, a little bit of gas gets past the marble and is held from flowing back into the portable gas tank. Pretty soon the siphon starts and the gas is drained. You can find these online on Amazon, or you can pick them up in any local marine store. The only differences would be the length of the hose, length of the siphon, and the diameter of the hose. All of them should come with a brass fitting so that there's no spark involved. Now, before we go into the siphon, let's talk a little bit about the portable gas tanks. All portable gas tanks now have these stupid nozzles. None of them really work very well. They're all prone to leaking. And worst part is that they all have these caps, which are multiple parts and very prone to letting water into the tank. So if you're going to store your gas tank outside, I would highly recommend picking up a solid cap for it, and it will prevent you from getting a lot of problems in the future from water getting into these tanks. And the other problem is that most of them now have a filter. That's going to have to be removed if you're going to use a siphon hose. You can do that just with a screwdriver and a needle nose plier. You can pull it right out. So this is the ball siphon. Some companies call them a super siphon. It is extremely easy to use. The portable tank does have to be a little bit higher than the tank that you're going to siphon into. You're going to put one end of the hose into the tank that you're going to siphon into. You're going to put the brass fitting into your portable tank, and you're just going to shake the hose up and down. That hose fills very quickly, and then it will just start to automatically siphon. I'll show you again. The brass fitting goes into the tank. You shake it up and down. Once it starts running, that hose will completely fill. And it'll go through a 5-gallon tank in a few minutes. Very, very efficient, very easy way of siphoning gas. Now, if you do want to stop it, you can always remove the hose from the supply end. If you want to completely drain that portable tank, tilt it a little bit forward, and making sure the hose is down in the lowest part, and then it will siphon until that tank is bone dry. Then remove the siphon hose. Hold it kind of high or straight up and down, and let whatever fuel is remaining in the hose drain into the tank. And that's it. A very easy to use siphon with really no moving parts other than the little ball. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. By all means, check us out on the web at DIYeasycrafts.com. I have a bunch of do-it-yourself projects on there. Thank you very much for watching.